going to Hong Kong. This is my first ever go trip with my friend Fia, so I'm very excited. Let me show you my airport fit. Ayan. Sweatpants is from Staples. Top is from Mera. Put the link in the description. And then, in case I get cold, I'll also bring my Staples club. Guys, I actually packed light at this time. Like, believe it or not, it's just big, but it's not heavy at all. Oh, it's quite heavy. Yes, we're in. Ang fresh pa natin.
Ang ganda naman ng light.
Ang ganda na.
Ay,
hindi, ito
maganda
yung maganda. Hindi tayo yung maganda. Don't be like that. We're here at our place. Do you guys want a room tour?
2 seconds.
That's it!
Thank you for
We somehow managed to find the smallest room available in Hong Kong. So, magbabaliwan kami dito. Guys, it's not cheap pa rin ha, pero ito na yon. Ito na talaga. College friend ko si Fia. It's like we're back on the dorm. It's fine. We're used to it. Last na to. Good morning! We are getting ready for the day. And I'm actually so proud of myself that ito lang yung dinala kong makeup because I am an overpacker. Actually, yung boyfriend ko, sinasabi niya. Direct, dinududa niya yung light packing skills ko. Pero kasi I noticed in all of my gala, ganyan mga travel, magdadala ako na pang full face and I never do full face because there's so many things going on. Sabi ko, ini-introduce ko yung, yung bahay kay Ariana. Actually, ini-introduce ko sa kanya, yung tropa ko siya. Hindi kay Darrell.
Yung bahay?
Yung bahay.
Ay,
boy, bye. Sabi ko, hunt ko pag ginagawa ko, yan yung content ko sa'yo. Boy, bye.
Yung condition.
This is our outfit. Ibang-iba kami ng aesthetic. Ito na lang, nag-sleeveless ang mga bakla. Mga Jean at Jeanette. Pero hindi pala siya Pilipinas init. So, we're still happy. Mahumid din dito, no? Ito yung... Yes.
Tagatin mo lang yung may laman. Diba? Okay na siya dito sa mainit.
Ang ganda ng tama ng araw dito in fairness. Pero guys, mahumid talaga dito. Naramdam ko na ang aking hair ay dodoble ng size. We're at Donkey. First time ko mag-Donkey. And I'm very excited. Let's see. I'm trying not to spend too much kasi wala din ako luggage space. But, let's try some snacks kasi minsan lang tayo nandito. If you know what I mean. Oh my God.
Pala.
Tempura snack. I'll try one.
It's hot also. Ay, hindi pala.
Baka papail. Ang cute. Para masarap to be. Po, ang mambubudol sa kanya. Mga, ang tawag dyan? Blind box. Ang cute niya naman. Ito, ata-ate, oh.
Mga Japanese brand.
Next stop is Hong Kong Cultural Center. Ito ang pambansang Hong Kong. Pero dito yung mga aesthetic shots na parang iconic IG-worthy pictures. Let me show you. Tiyan, sampulan mo nga, be. Ay, bagay yung yellow dito. Tinan mo.
Ay, yung ano?
Diba?
Pop na pop.
Pop na pop. Maganda muna kami fashion up. Kasi, you know, as a lucky girl na magaganda sa Hong Kong. Talaga ginawa personality. Hindi kasi guys, super lucky namin this trip. Like, lagi kami na una sa pila, tinutulungan kami ng mga tao. So, talagang ang conclusion lang nun, ang ibig sabihin nun ay ang gaganda namin. Di ba, Bea?
Yeah! Tama!
Lucky girl syndrome. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
the clock and it's ticking, and every minute is weighing heavy. I'm wishing and praying.
Wow!
The only way is to face
Taray! Ay, wow! Ate ko! Ang ganda!
I feel it burning me up. It's not an if, it's a must. Before I turn into dust, gotta give what I've got. I realized I am the only thing that is holding me down. And if we wanted to get it, we gotta go for the crown. Cause we're running out of time. It's do or die. What are we waiting for? We're running out of time. It's do or die. What are we waiting for?
Sad. Hindi kami lucky girl sa panahon to. So we went here to try the egg tart na very famous. Pero wala. But we're still gonna try other pastry kasi sayang naman yung lakad namin dito. Tingnan naman tagaksak na kami power. Kulas girlies na kami. Ay, kung natin yung water. Saka parang ang sarap ng apple pie cookie. Isang apple pie. Tapos isang croissant. Okay.
Wala.
Pan chocolate. Croissant. Yes. One apple pie cookie. One pano chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate. Pano ba pano?
Hana sugo.
That's one. No. Gusto ko lang yung cookie. This is apple pie cookie. If masarapan ako, I will try to recreate it because I'm a baker. Wow. Mmm.
Hello, Janina.
Ang baby bite naman. Si pretty girl naman.
Kasi nga tuyo yung lalawonan ko.
Ang sarap. Ang
Ang
chewy.
cinnamon.
Ay, hindi mo bet.
Sakto lang.
Ang sarap ng texture niya. Ang chewy. Paano
Chewy
kaya
lang.
nagagawa niya? Guys, New Balance 7 dito. Nakailang lakad pala kami. Siguro mga 100 meters. Nakakita na kami ng tatlo. And tatlong Nike. Sa dami ding Adidas. Sneaker Street nga, Janica, di ba? Ano ba yan?
Dikit-dikit silang lahat.
Pero yes, if you're a sneakerhead, you will love it here. Mainly because of the choices. The prices are the same lang naman. And naghahanap kami right now ng Chimay lang, gano'n. Yung discounted outlet. Wala ABC, pero wala ata silang ABC here. So, samahan nyo kami. Actually, super pagod na kami. Uwi na tayo ng Pilipinas! Joke lang. Parang tanga naman
Hindi nyo pa nakikita si Mickey Mouse.
Oo nga. Okay, kami ay nakapag-recharge na and we're on our way to the ladies market and maghanap din kami ng kainan. Kasi di ba kami nag dinner? Here's our outfit. Kami ay nag-change.
Chinelas mode.
Very loungewear na lang ata dahil kami ay pagod na. Wow, it's night time.
Look it.
Look it! Pasapilitan.
Ito yung mga muling mo. Chicken and beer.
Oh, gusto mo chicken and beer? Chicken!
Oh, milk tea ulit.
May kinakain sila. Ito, ate, oh, mukhang local. I feel like this is it. This is really it. Ay, stall lang siya. It's okay. Okay, change of plans. Naghanap kami ng merong upuan para chillax lang kami. Kasi mainly stall sila.
Ito, yun.
Ito, oh. Okay, nakapili na rin kami ng restaurant. Andito kami sa Kolu Restaurant. And mag-share lang kami kasi gusto namin bumili ng mga street food sa labas.
Yun na lang para matikman natin yung duck.
Ano ba yung duck?
Pepper.
This is what we're having. Ayan, mag-share na lang kami kasi ang dami nilang serving pala. Buti na lang. Good decision. Happy kid. Tikman mo nga muna. Sarap.
Tastes like chicken but it's better.
Stop pecking? Yeah. Taste mo natin siya muna sauce.
Sobrang juicy niya. Diba?
Hindi ako. Nasa lechong manok na upgraded.
Oo, diba?
Oh my God.
Diba?
Taste natin with sauce.
Grabe yung lasa mo. Walang ganyan si Binod.
Girl, alam ko na.
Ano?
It's like you make the chicken breed with lechon.
Lechon? Ay, tama.
Yung laman niya, manok.
Yung alat niya, diba? Parang lechon.
Tsaka yung taba niya. That was a really good meal. 10 out of 10. Solid pare. Now, maghahanap kami ng milk tea. Actually, ang dami sa side na to, pero we're gonna choose kung ano yung pinaka-appetizing. Depende na sa marketing nila. Chachago. Let's try.
Diba?
Ati talaga siya. Malamang. Pero nasanay ko sa parang fake na. I mean, super tamis. Hindi na siya lasang tea. That's what I meant. Medyo mapait siya.
Authenticity is
Pachikem.
Ba't walang sugar level? Ito yung pure lang.
Sarap na sa'yo.
Bakit?
Wait lang, may mix ko muna. Pait naman.
Kaya ang part nga.
Bakit malas ko? Kanina pa
sabihin
to.
yan?
Ang cute. Ay, ang cute. Ano to?
May fight.
What's that?
Cute din ang mga
Ay, ito yung mga magnet bee. Pili ko ito na yun.
$10.
Magkano yun? 700?
$10 lang. 70.
Hala, ang bobo ko! What the fuck? Ang bobo ko!
Okay ka naman masabi.
Okay, what the fuck? Okay ko talaga.
Ang cute.
Ang cute. Hindi ako makaget over. Hindi marunong mag-mat. Ito ang cute nito. Ay, ano ba yan? Overwhelm ako. Wait lang.
Pambigay sa mga tita, no?
No, for me.
Ay, sa ref mo?
Yeah. Ito, gusto ko to.
Ayaw nga.
Very,
ganda rin ito.
very pretty.
Tas may
Disney.
ano pa,
Akin yan, Disney na yan.
Tanong mo muna.
How much? 30.
30.
210. Magaling ako doon. 210, di ba? Sorry. Ang bobo ko talaga.
Para kang iwan dun.
Gusto ko yung panic ko. 700.
Parang ano ka gusto mo na umuwi agad. Naisip mo 700.
I can find
Ang
cuter
gusto ko,
ones.
ano
Kaya
muna?
ko.
Ito.
Oh, this is what I'm getting for my mom kasi she collects stuff like this. Nail cutter from all around the world. And then it is because the Disney is so cute.
Gaya.
Gaya. She has no originality. I knew you hate me. Is there a discount?
Okay. 30, 60, 70, 130. Okay, 120 pala, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's the power of asking. Good morning! It's day 2 here and we're on our way to Disneyland. Excited na kami. Ate, kung may excited ka na ba? Stress siya sa bandana niya pinagalaban.
Lalaglag kasi sa tree.
Pero yes, guys, we're so excited! We're here now at Sunny Bay Station. Dito kayo lilipat dun sa magandang train. Hinihintay namin siya ngayon. And Disney! Oh my gosh, the handle is so cute. It's Mickey. May kakasaan. Oh my gosh. Excited na ako.
Mickey Mouse.
Pretty. Well, hindi tayo nakaupo. Ay!
Have a magical day!
Have a magical day! Disneyland Station. Have a magical day.
'Cause we're running out of
happiest place on earth. Indeed. I'm so happy. Ang init. Guys, look! Oh my gosh! Ito na yung castle. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda! OMG! I love it! Sobrang init niya lang, pero worth it naman. Kasi Pinoy naman kami. Sanay na kami sa ganyan. Pero lagkit talaga. Super lagkit. Pero ang ganda. Parang ka talaga nasa loob ng mundo nila. Yun nga yung point. Yun nga yung point, Janica. Pero oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Pero ito na siya. Close up! Ang ganda. Naiiyak din ako. Ang ganda kasi talaga. Like, nakaka-emotional yung ganda niya. Okay, apparently, magpaparade daw sila in 15 minutes. So, hintayin namin kasi I wanna see the characters in real life. Mag-hello kami kay Mickey.
I feel the clock and it's ticking and every minute is weighing heavy. I'm wishing and praying it could be different. The only way is to face it. Turn around and embrace it. Don't know where I am going or what it is I am chasing. I'm in. I feel it burning me up. It's not an if, it's a must. Before I turn.
We're here at Fairy Tale Forest. Guys, it's so cute. It's giving Bridgerton. Mag-meet sila ng king habang tumatakas. Ganong levels. Oh, Rapunzel te. Oh. Ayun. Rapunzel, let down your hair.
If we wanted to get it, we gotta go for the crown.
Ay, gosh, ang ganda na lang. Kaya nga.
Parang kami nasa Mount Fuji.
Guys, look! Ang ganda!
Raise a toast, let's make the most, live it up instead of chasing ghosts. Cause you're a mess, I know it, so am I. I got my skeletons in Cobra Kai. I'm living overtime, dreaming then I go and try. Yamazaki over rice, drink it out my own supply. Let's swing it for the fences, see what we do with it. And let the doubters keep on talking while we proving it.
Umiyak na yung bata. Actually, gusto ko na din umiyak eh. Sabi kasi yung plancha, kala cute lang. Okay naman. Frozen na to eh. Yes ka na ta. Ay, hindi na natin yung picture. Ay, sorry. Wala din naman yung itsura. Oh my God, takot na takot ang ate mo. Kumuha lang kami sa Klook na voucher meal, which is very convenient.
Good, surprisingly. Kahit may nuts. Diba?
May floss pa. Bakit may paso? Napapasok sila. No world after all. Nakain kami. Maganda ang aming view.
Mangangas kami.
It's been a bitter pill to swallow. We could all be gone tomorrow, so I'm making up for yesterday.
That was pleasant. If bata ako, I would eat that up. Like, I love it. It's time for some excitement. We're trying the sliding sleds. Sliding sleds? Tama ba? Yes. Frozen again. We're riding! Underneath. Oh my God!
You're making it a perfect summer snow day! Gusto na umalis.
Hindi ko alam paano nagagawa ng mga bata to. Patandaan na ata ako. Wait. Gusto kayo pinabalik tayo.
So am I got my skeletons in Cobra Kai. I'm living overtime, dreaming then I go and try. Yamazaki over ice, drinking out my own supply. Let's swing it for the fences, see what we do with it. And let the doubters keep on talking while we proving it. And I don't even hear the words they say. Not trying to make it out like I've been right. It's been a bitter pill to swallow. We could all be done tomorrow, so I'm making up for yesterday.